Hey there, viewers! Do you ever feel discouraged when you give skincare your all, but your skin doesn't seem to care? Or even worse, when you try to get fitter but don't see any difference on your face? What if we told you there's a simple 5-minute method that could give you bright skin and the perfect chiseled look of a Greek goddess? Yes! The Japanese have a massage that could help you eliminate that stubborn puffiness that doesn't seem to go away, and also remove, as well as prevent, the annoying fine lines and dull, uneven skin tone. All of that with visible results within a month. Not too bad, right? Let's talk about this magical one-stop shop Asahi massage for all your skin problems. First of all, here are some precautions. Make sure you don't try this massage if you have any health issues related to your lymph nodes, because this method deals mostly with the lymphatic system. Also, this massage isn't for you if you have cystic acne, rashes, or damaged skin. Don't lose heart though. You can always consult your dermatologist and opt for better suited routines for your skin type. Oh, and remember to wait until you've recovered from that nasty cold before you do the Asahi massage. 1. Let's get started. Alright, the first thing you should do is wash your hands thoroughly, because we don't want any germs to enter the pores. Next, pick an oil or cream to help with the massage. A gentle and fragrant oil like coconut oil is always a good choice, but olive, avocado, or almond oil are also fine. This step is important to protect the skin from tearing due to any friction. Also, a lovely scented candle and some calm music never hurt anybody, so go all zen and calm your nerves while you can too. And before we dive into the techniques, remember to repeat each one 3 times. Keep the pressure firm, but reduce it slightly around the delicate areas like the eyes, neck, and jaw. 2. The first exercise, your temples. Always start your Asahi session by using 3 or 4 fingers to apply pressure on both your temples. Try to make this pressure firm but not too harsh. Then slowly move your fingers in a straight line all the way to your collarbone or clavicle. Repeat this 3 times, but also do this between all other massages. Think of it as a transition exercise. A quick science tidbit. This movement is meant to help flow the lymphatic fluid to the lymphatic ducts, which are located right above your clavicle. This fluid is what causes puffiness and restricted blood flow in your tissues. So, what the Asahi massage does is help flush all the clogged fluid and toxins in your face to the lymph nodes. This means an even tone, better blood flow, and tight, youthful skin. 3. Now for the eye area. The next destination will be your eye area. And do not forget that the skin here is thin, so dragging your fingers with too much pressure will do more harm than good. So keep it gentle but firm. Okay, so what you've got to do is use 2 fingers, preferably the middle and ring fingers, because your ring finger's the most gentle, and place the pads of your fingers on the outer corners of both your eyes. Move the pressure along the lower lids in a circular motion. When you reach the inner corners between your nose and your eyes, increase the pressure for a second, and then continue to move your fingers in an arc over the upper lids. All in all, you're drawing circles around both your eyes. There you go. Show those bags and fine lines who's the boss. 4. Next is the forehead. Eyes are done. Now it's time to show your forehead some love. This is very simple. All you have to do is take 3 fingers, your index, middle, and ring fingers of each hand, and place them right in the middle of your forehead. From here, apply pressure and steadily move your fingers all the way to your temples. But what's different here is that the motion should be zigzag. This exercise might not look like much, but just wait until you hear what it's capable of. From taking care of wrinkles to helping with hooded eyes and giving an eyebrow lift, this will do it all. Pro tip: close your eyes while massaging your forehead. This will help with stress and you'll find yourself dreaming about that perfect look you're after. Don't forget about doing the transition one after each set of moves because we're trying to get rid of the lymph and flush it out. 5. The lips and laugh lines. Now to the fun but also tricky part. Fun because these sets of movements cover the most problematic areas, and tricky because this may take some time getting used to. Start with the lips. What you have to do is press the pads of the index and middle fingers of both your hands on the center of your chin. From there, move your fingers upwards to your upper lips in a circular motion. So basically, what you're doing is starting with a C shape and ending up having drawn a kidney bean shape around your mouth. This will help with droopiness at the corners of the mouth. After doing the mouth exercise thrice, do a C-shape motion again, but this time using one finger, index or middle, from the outside of your nostrils all the way up to the bridge of your nose. This is a lifesaver when it comes to the nasolabial folds. This could also help open your sinuses as a bonus. The next set's simple. With your index fingers, start at your nose bridge and trace your cheekbones. Do this back and forth, you guessed it, 3 times. Now, the move that'll take care of the laugh lines. This one's somewhat a combination of the previous 3. Place 2 fingers on your chin and move them in a round circling your mouth. Then, once you reach the outside of your nostrils, slide fingers up to the nose bridge and then trace the lower lids of your eyes all the way to the temples. Do all of that, and you'll feel like your skin reverse-aged 10 years. 6. Time for jawline action. If you want to cut glass with your jawline, here's the exercise in this massage that's going to be your best friend. Apply pressure with your left palm onto the left side of your jaw. Use 2 fingers of your right hand to start from your cheek and glide up to the inner corner of your eye. Then move the pressure-drawing arc from the inner to the outer corners of your right eye out to the temple. Repeat the same thing with the other side. Place the right side of the jaw on the right palm and repeat the circular eye motion on the left eye, with of course the left hand. Keep doing that and soon your side profile will be thanking you. 7. Cheekbone Rescue. Chubby cheeks are a struggle when they refuse to go away, no matter what you do. But don't worry, because this part of the Asahi massage will be your cheekbone messiah. Start with placing 3 fingers horizontally along your nose on both sides. Then, with a uniform motion and firm pressure, slide your fingers all the way to your ears. What you're doing here is sort of stretching your face to carve out the cheeks. Next, take the pads of both your wrists and place them at the corners of your lips and your chin. From here, slide them up towards your ears. So you're still stretching your face, but this time more to give your cheeks a lift. All right, that'll be enough to give you sharp, sculpted cheekbones. Botox who, right? 8. Next stop, your chin. Losing the double chin isn't a myth. It can happen. The exercise for chin restoration is very similar to the previous one. All there's to do is place your wrist against each other at the center of your chin. Move your head slightly forward, and with firm pressure, trace your lower jaw until you reach your earlobes. Don't forget to be gentle on your lower jaw because it's delicate skin. There you are. A month of this and you too will be able to take those aesthetic selfies with the camera placed under your chin. 9. Lastly, the A-zone. You've successfully reached the last stop of the massage. This is the perfect way to conclude the routine because it involves your entire face. Place both your thumbs under your chin and the rest of your fingers next to the bridge of your nose on both sides, kind of forming a triangle around your mouth. Just imagine your teacher caught you cheating and you have to pretend to be in deep thought. And we promise